your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, mail call day. Let's open it up and see what's in this box. And where does this box come from? Well, let me see. It comes from no other than Federalist Pens from Franco. All right, Federalist Pens and Paper. So let's get a cutting. So, okay. Here we go. It's Christmas morning and Santa just came. And now he's split. So now I shall open the box. Hopefully. Dun, 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 dun. Don't try this at home. To all you adults out there, make sure you're supervised by your doggies. Okay. Here we go. Let's see what's in the box. Are you ready? Excellent, roll 'em. And this is what I got. Isn't that good stuff? Yeah, okay. And some more of that good stuff. All right, here we go. Well, first of all, Pilot. Vanishing Point. I'll leave it like that till the review day. Not just any Pilot Vanishing Point. I'll give you that much of a hint. Visconti Homo sapien. And I'll leave this in the box and not give any peekaboos till I do the review. Do you have any idea what this one could be? Or this one? Well, let's see what else. And a bottle of black ink.
Aurora.
Special black ink. Aurora. So, and let's see. And then I get all this other cool stuff in here. Of course, you always get a little card from Frank, so you never forget. Okay. Hello, Frank. La 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 la. And Frank, thank you for the Aurora black ink. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Believe it or not, if I've tried the Aurora black ink, it's been so long ago, I don't even remember it. So I asked, Frank for a sample, and here it is. Thanks, Frank. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So, these are all the goodies. Ooh, I even got the goodie bag. Wow, cool. A bag, Pilot bag. That's cool. So, friends, that's going to wrap it up. Maybe I can be a bag for Halloween, something like that. So, with that said, until my next unboxing, but wait up for this review. Check it later. Love, kisses, and hugs. Don't catch and drive. Bye-bye.